Hey, today I'm gonna bring you a fix on the Wi-Fi. If you have a poor connection in one of the rooms or part of the house, your basement or the second floor, whatever part you have a weak signal, well, one way to do it is extend it, your original Wi-Fi with rack spec extender. The only thing required is an outlet. That's it. And Wi-Fi, the only thing. Just let's begin now. How are you doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab.com. Yes, well, one way to do this, right? We can extend now the original signal. This one is a 2.4 or 5 GHz dual band, but we're going to choose either 2.4 or 5 GHz. So now you can extend it. So if you have one of the rooms, you have a weak signal, like your TV gets connected or not connected sometime, well, the way to do it now, we can extend this. The way I will connect this, let's imagine, let's look and see if your original signal, and let's say about a 50 feet, it gets a weaker signal. All right, so we find out somewhere in the middle where I have a nice signal. Let's say maybe about 30 feet, I have a good signal. So I plug this box, run 30 feet, just give you a measurement, right? 30 feet, you plug it in. Now you have another 50 feet to go forward. So totally say you got 70 feet extended from the original Wi-Fi. So that guarantees that your TV always gets connected perfect. Because maybe your router or your original router is maybe 50 feet away. So find the middle, plug this box, and now you extend it beyond more. So this will create their own network. The nice thing is it's going to use the original password that you'll be using for your Wi-Fi. And I show you how to configure this right now, and I think it's a cool and easy solution to extend your Wi-Fi at home. And if you got two, well, you can create two networks. I show you that right now. All right, guys. So out of the box, what we get, the rack space. Let me unplug it so I can show you this thing. So it has the 4 antennas. Make sure you open the antennas all the way. It's pretty simple. Then it comes this way. You just open it there. Power 100 volts, 240. If you're going to use in 240, like it's in Europe or Latin America, you have to use a different plug and adapter. Here they show you the SID is rackspace_ETX. I show you that. And right below, if you want to go hardwire, you can get the hardwire to extend from hardwire to Wi-Fi and the reset switch. That's it. So we're going to plug it in. And by the way, the card for the hep line and the full instructions, but I show you how the whole thing works right now. So when you plug it in, it's going to go power first, right? And then the signal is going to connect. Now, guys, if you want to have the WPS, you can do that. You go to modem, press the WPS, come here and press again. I think you have about 30 seconds. For me, I like to do a manual and I like to do it that way. But you can do that if you want. So it's going to connect. Now to reset it, because I've already installed it, and I want to show you to reset. You got that little thing there. Maybe you want to try a different network, or press it way into that blinks 2 times. So that reset means whatever was here is automatic, or it's all reset. I already reset it. So now I need it to connect it. So I'm going to use my cell phone for this. I think it's a simple way. You can use a PC if you want, but the simple way is to use your cell phone. So make sure your data is off first. All right, so your data is off. And now I need to look for the extended there. So I'm going to go here. I'm using Android. So I'm going to look for the Wi-Fi here. So network, Wi-Fi. And now we need to wait. And you see the rack space _ and EXT. So I'm going to click right over there. We click there. We went to get connected there. And it's connected. Now it requires a password. Okay, so I'm going to press right over here on the same, it shows up, and click the password, whatever password you want to put. I'm going to do an easy one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the password for this unit. All right, that's the only thing that's required, the password. Then I'm going to click next. So now I have to choose what are going to be connected. Now it's dual band, but you either 2.4 or 5 GHz. You have to choose. You cannot be both. For me, I'm going to use my test system 2.4. Now it requires the password of your original router. So mine is MEDIABOXENT. So that's it. That's my original password. All right. So now I need to extend it. Well, we don't want to call it the same name, because then how do you know when you got to choose that? It's a little crazy if you do that. So we're going to put there. You can put underscore. So we're going to put underscore EXT. Right. So we extend it. If you got 2, then this one will be extended -1 and extended -3, 2. You can extend as many times you want it, as many of these boxes. We're going to click extend. You will see they will get the signal and then resets itself, and then it will connect it. All right, it got connected. Now we see that it's resetting. Let's go back into get the signal. So now we extended my original signal. All right, we wait a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go into Wi-Fi. We see the signal right there. We click right there, and we should be able to see the extended version of my original network. All right, so if we look here, so this is my original one. See already here, then 2.4 connected, and right over here I have my original one. So 2.4, and now it says connected, we have internet. So you have the 2 versions. So this is the extended version. This is simple to do. So if you want to extend your network, right, that's the way to do it, guys. If you got 2 of this, then you have one you call extended 1 and extended 2. And in real time, it took me what, 2 minutes to do it. Just gotta find the smart way to do this. Find a signal in the middle of whatever it is in the house, or in the room, or in the business. Whatever you have a good signal, plug this box right here so you get a good signal now, and then you just go and transfer the signal one more time, and you have it. And the speed wise, it's the same speed you get in the original one. You're not gonna get slow or anything. We test this; it's in the same speed. So if you get 30 up and 20 down, okay. With extended, you're gonna get 30 up and 20 down. Exactly the same thing. All right, guys. To get one of these extender right now, check the link below. I'll see you next time. Let's go with the test now. The one on the left is my original 5 GHz network, and the one on the right is with the Rackspec extension. All right, so we see the download speed actually is faster. I don't know how that's possible, but it's faster on my Rackspace. So 32 original, and we got 38 with the Rackspace. Now the upload speed a little slower, but it's funny, right? It's faster on the Rackspace. So it's worked wonderful. You guys see the result right now.